Hello, today we'll be resetting the password on our My Aurora College Microsoft Office 365 account. This is also the password for your student email. To begin, start at our website, which is www.auroracollege.nt.ca,
and go to the Current Students drop-down menu. Beside Student Login, you'll see Office 365 Login. Just click that. From here, hit the Sign In button. Enter in your Aurora College student email and hit Next.
This will bring you to a page prompting you to enter in your password. If you've forgotten your password, just click the Forgot My Password link. Next, you'll see that you're in an account recovery page. You'll need to follow all of the steps to be able to log back into your account with a new password. You'll need to enter in the characters that appear on the screen to show that you're a real person. Or you can use audio mode and enter in the words that you hear. Next, you'll be prompted to use the first step for verification. I'm going to select the first option and have an email sent to my alternate email address. Microsoft Online Services has now sent a verification code to my personal email address. I'm going to copy it and paste it in here and hit Next. For the next step, I can choose to have a text or a call placed to my mobile phone. For this option, you'll need to enter in the phone number that you selected when you set up your student email account. I've selected the text option, so I'm going to click Text. I've received a text from Microsoft with a verification code that I've entered in here, so I'm going to hit Next. I'm now being prompted to enter in my new password. If at this point you receive an error message that says that your password doesn't meet the security requirements, make sure that you've selected a password that's at least 8 characters long, has a capital letter, a symbol, and a number in it. Once you've chosen a new password, you'll be able to get back into your student email and to Office 365. Click the link that says Click Here to sign in with the new password. Just sign in with your student email and enter in your new password. Now you should find yourself back in your Aurora College Office 365 account. From here, you can use all of your Microsoft apps and get back into your student email. Just remember, if you have any questions or you need assistance, contact Aurora College Student Services.